welcome back or welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a little different than my usual videos where I do DIYs and projects. This will be more of a day in my life vlog type video. I will just be showing you things that we did this week. We went to a greenhouse, I went with my aunt and my mom, and then Andrew and I took a trip out of town and we just bought some things for the house. So if that's something that you think you'd enjoy, continue watching and stay tuned for next week where I have another project planned. This is a greenhouse that we have in our town and it's just so beautiful. There's so many options for plants, flowers, and it's just so good for the soul to go here and just look at everything they have. I love their pottery, their little cute designs like these little vases. So yeah, this was a lot of fun and I'm glad that I got to go with my aunt and my mama. These flowers are actually called Brinco de Princesa in Portuguese, which is translated to princess earrings, and I just think they're so beautiful. Hello everybody, it is Wednesday of this week and I don't have any projects that I'm working on this week. If you hear anything, I just cranked the air purifier all the way up because the air is super hazy and smoky from the fires in Canada. We are pretty close to Canada and the fires are pretty far from our location. A lot of people who are sensitive to the smoke and everything are probably really struggling right now, so I'm just praying for everybody's health. Just take care of yourself and wear a mask, whatever you can. Get air purifiers because they're magical. I know my husband has a lot of sinus problems and the air purifier has really helped with that, so be safe. Andrew and I took a trip out of town and we had some food at Easton and a few drinks, and then we walked around and we saw this beautiful butterfly habitat. If you know me, you know that I love butterflies, and if I could, I would actually grow my own butterflies, but I don't know if that's possible in the Midwest. If you do know if it's possible, let me know in the comments. After walking around for a bit, we had a few drinks at an Irish pub and I ordered a Harp Lager and Andrew had a Guinness beer, which was really nice and relaxing. Then we went to one of my favorite stores, Anthropologie. Andrew was laughing at me because I was getting overly excited about literally everything in the store. I love coming here and just kind of dreaming of what our house will look like because I want it to be inspired by Anthropologie, but you know, on a budget. Then we went to World Market, which is probably my #1 favorite store, and I finally got to buy 2 pillows that I've been looking at for the past 6 months. Tartaruga?
Tartaruga. E granule, e cachorro, e tartaruga.
You know how to say frog?
I have new ones.
Sapo?
Oh, that's so boring.
O sapo do lava o pé.